Om. Namaste. Today we will take up another Siddhi, the Mahima. In Ramayana, we have witnessed Hanuman goes to Lankapatna in search of Sita. Because Hanuman is an animal, easily he can escape from the sight of anybody. The members of the human society may not so much concerned. Yes, suddenly an animal entering, they may not suspect the animal has come to commit a theft or to steal something or to spy anything. No such doubts could come, was the inference. But Hanuman was little elevated than the normal monkey animals. He wants to advise Ravana to go for a compromise with Sri Rama so that damages can be averted. The arrogance of Ravana was such that the not knowing the power or the prowess of Hanuman, Ravana or the ministers in the courtyard do not regard Hanuman as a entity at all. As a result, they failed to even offer a seat, what is usually offered to the messengers. Not perturbed with such actions by the demon kings and their ministerial colleagues, Hanuman creates his own seat by encircling his tail, coiling his tail, and the size of Hanuman grows much more bigger than Ravana's thorn and Ravana's size itself. Subsequently, when all offers are rejected and the sleeping conscience of Hanuman was totally disturbed, the general public, the warriors, the sipais, the guarding soldiers put fire to Hanuman by coating his tail with wax and oil. Not bothered about it, Hanuman takes the size, enlarges his size above the size of buildings, 3-storied, 4-storied, 5-storied buildings in the town of Lankapatna, and wanders by lighting all the buildings into flame. Hanuman expands a size unimaginable by anybody. The expansion to a size unimaginable, a vast, gigantic size, growing to a size unimaginable, is Mahima. Having lost all the technicalities with the advent of Britishers' rule, the foreigners' rule, and seeking job-oriented education, we lost the secrets of attaining Mahima Siddhi. But the yoga tradition teachers and the Siddhas and their followers are well versed in Mahima Siddhi. Unknown to others, they exhibit their talents, they exhibit their power, they exhibit their courage in achieving such things. We need not literally take increasing the size. It can be construed as pervasiveness, or what we call it as vibhutva. We can achieve this by expanding one of our body. As we discussed earlier, we know that there are 3 bodies, 5 koshas: Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manoramaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha. There are 5 sheaths, 5 coverage, 5 coatings for us. Different things work in different ways, which we will discuss little later. In the same way, we have 3 bodies: physical body, the astral body, and the causal body. Thola Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, and Karana Sharira. The Sukshma Sharira can expand any level. That is the reason when you become a yogi, when a divinity embraces you, when you are in touch with the divinity, when you are in connectivity with the divinity, wherever you go, high respect is offered to you by the people in and around you. What is the reason? The reason is your astral body is more powerful than your physical body. The moment you go there, the moment your voice is heard by somebody, the moment your name is heard by somebody, the moment a message is received from you, the message, the person, the voice, or the presence, whatever it is seen by the opponent in a much more divine way, because they feel some power has come nearer to them. But we have lost all our fragrance on our body because we are going on using all kind of dravyas, all kind of fragrances in our body. As a result, we have lost natural things. We are more concerned about our physical things. God has to come in front of me, then only I will believe. Money has to come to my account in my hand, then only I will believe. I do not want my thirst to be quenched, but I want to see water going into my mouth. I do not want my hunger to be satisfied, but I want to witness the food going into my mouth. I do not trust the doctor if he gives me some medicine, but I trust the doctor only when he gives me a painful injection. These are the notions, these are the things. With these notions, if you put a mask for these notions, remove these false marks, remove this veil, remove this screen, remove this opaque hindrance screen, then we will definitely come to know the power felt by us about the astral body coming nearer to us through sound, through sight, through touch, through smell, or through some other mode of taste. Once we acquire the Mahima Siddhi with the grace of Devi, definitely we will be able to control the nature or shrink or expand the nature. There will be heavy rains spoiling your program. You come out and see heavy rains will be there. Your mind will seek yourself. You will pray to the divinity. The prayer comes back to you because you are the divinity. When divinity prays to the divinity, the Varuna Bhagavan stops the rain immediately. And for your journey, there will be no rain. When we went to Babaji cave, we came out from the stay where we were there. We got into the bus. There was no rain. We went to visit an ashram in the evening, which was about 10 to 12 kilometers from our stay place. It was a very important, very sacred ashram. All of us went in the bus, our exclusive bus. We visited, we completed our journey. In about 1.5 hours, we came back. We got down from the bus, just entered the stay place. Rain started lashing like anything. 2 hours the rain did not stop. Some of the members who had come with us to Babaji cave will know of it. Earlier, 2 years ago, we went on a visit to Uttarakhand, the Gadiwal region, visiting various places, including Badrinath and Kedarnath. We took a decision, instant decision, and reached Haridwar. The moment we reached Haridwar, rain started. All of us entered the stay place. The heavy rains started for next 4 to 5 hours. We were not in a position to unload our luggage, but all of us were safe. We were able to remove our luggage from the bus only after our dinner. Such kind of Mahima Shakti will come to us through Mahima Siddhi. We will see another Siddhi tomorrow. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.